Okay, so this is Timmy. So he wants to get popular on YouTube. Don't you want, Timmy? Timmy, you don't want to get popular on YouTube? You want to get? Yeah, yeah, look at him. So first step, he's gonna take his first step, you know. So you're gonna try, man. You're gonna try. Like, look at him, man. So this is like you post the first time, and then you start, you know, he posts, and then he sees the next, step. So he's very irritated. So now if you lose your progress, you're gonna go back, man. Like, look at him, just going back. So first thing is, do not give up, man. Even if you fall, that's still part of the progress. Look at Timmy, man. Look at him, he got into the iron, iron rank. It's like getting 10 views, and then he got on the gold. Well, at first you wouldn't do it the first try, but with consistency you can get where Timmy is at. So look at Timmy, man, so goofy. Look at him, man. But there are more steps than that. So um expect failures to come in your way, because failures is part of the progress. Look at Timmy, he's just goofing around. Look at him doing an our cameraman. Okay, so that's the video all it. So thank you for listening, and see you.